So today, we're gonna open my piggy bank. I have put 700 is in here. In total, there is 40,000 money, but I cannot confirm that yet. But I got a lot of 5 stands and 720. We're gonna count it.
So, yung guess mo, how much siya?
720 is. There's a, I think on many years I put it 200 on each. So that would make that would be no sense. It's my calculation that it is
Ang dami yung sinasabi.
18,000. That's my guess.
Okay. Ako,
Your
mga
guess?
16,000.
Okay. Then let's
O, ano
try.
yung, ano natin? Ano yung...
Then what are we gonna do?
So, kung sino yung pinaka-closest?
Gets 500
100. Okay. So, saan mapupunta yung money?
on our savings.
Okay. Okay, let's do it, guys.
Let's go, guys! First, we're gonna time lapse the video because this is gonna take 1 hour. And bye. Its value. Let's get onto it!
Ang daming coins ni Rohan. Ang dami niyang coins. Okay.
One time lapse.
Sige, iharap mo lang sa'yo, wag sa akin. Ang dami. Ang total is
15,886.
so sinong nanalo?
Si Mama. Sinabi ko.
Winner ako. Sa'yo, ano? Ang ano mo, ang guess mo?
18,000.
Kay Mami?
16,000.
Ang galing ko, no? Baka ako naguhulog niya, kaya alam ko. Okay, bye.
Yes, bye. Thank you guys for watching and this is mine.
Pasaway.